Hi guys, this is Tuti Gogia. In case you are listening this voice for the very first time, you can go check out my social media handles. And this is season 4 of Stuti Speaks. And today I have a very special guest with me whose name is Pratibha. And how do I know Pratibha? Pratibha and me, we are colleagues in office, so we know each other like quite well and from the same organization. So एक दिन मैं ऐसे ही प्रतिभा से बात कर रही थी तो I got to know about the details that she's into Kathak, she knows Kathak dancing, so I thought to invite her to my podcast so that my listeners know about this dance form and how she started her journey, because her journey is really inspiring. She also prepared for UPSC, then took a break from some time from job as well. Also, like she has like good, very good educational background too. So over to you Pratibha, थोड़ा सा मेरे listeners को अपना intro दे दो, फिर we can start about your journey and about Kathak as well.
Hi, Stuti. So, thank you so much for inviting me, first of all. As Stuti mentioned, I know her from office only, so we are good colleagues and we are good friends also. So, I started my journey of Kathak from class 6, बट मेरी जर्नी उससे पहले भी शुरू हो चुकी थी। मैं जब क्लास फर्स्ट में थी तब से ही मैं जो एनुअल फंक्शंस थे और जितने भी मेरे स्कूल के इवेंट्स होते थे मैं वहाँ पे डांस करती थी, बट इट वाज फॉर राजस्थानी एंड फोक डांसेस अर्लियर स्टेज। देन मैंने वनस्थली में अपना 6th क्लास में एडमिशन लिया और वहाँ से मेरी कथक की जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई। तो जैसा कि मैंने बताया कि मैं डांस को लेके काफ़ी फॉन्ड ऑफ थी, तो मैंने वहाँ पे जैसे ही मैंने एडमिशन लिया एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग आई एनरोल्ड एज अ हॉबी द कथक डांस। माय पेरेंट्स वाज नॉट वेरी कीन टू एनरोल मी इन दोज एक्टिविटीज लाइक डांस, हॉर्स राइडिंग एंड ऑल, बट मैंने सबसे पहला एनरोलमेंट अपना कथक में किया। वहाँ से मैंने कथक सीखा। कथक में नॉर्मली 3 घराने होते हैं, जयपुर, लखनऊ और बनारस। तो जैसा ही मैं
Okay.
राजस्थान में थी और वहाँ जयपुर घराना ही प्रोमिनेंट था, तो मैंने वहाँ पे जयपुर घराना से अपना स्टार्ट किया। स्टार्टिंग में हॉबी क्लासेस की तरह ही शुरू किया। आई वाज़ आल्सो नॉट अवेयर दैट इट विल गो फॉर अ लॉन्ग। सो मैंने 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th में अपना 5 इयर्स का कोर्स किया एंड एवरी टाइम वी हैव टू enroll for an exam, and it was a theory exam and it was a practical exam also. So after completion of every year we will get a certification. So certification goes like first year, second year, and then and every 3 year course is conclusive of a different names in every gharana. So in my gharana it was a prathama, madhyama, uttama, then nishnat. These kind of abbreviations were there for क्लासिकल डांस सर्टिफिकेशन। फिर जैसे ही 11th क्लास आया इट वाज बोर्ड एग्जाम, सो फिर मैंने थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लिया। देन आफ्टर दैट आई स्टार्टेड गोइंग यूथ फेस्टिवल्स फॉर माय फोक डांसेस। सो आई डिड
Okay.
दोज मटका डांसेस फॉर 5 इयर्स।
Oh,
सो उस
okay.
टाइम पे मेरा कथक का 3 साल का ब्रेक हुआ। देन मैंने अपने डांस में, फोक डांस में अपने ग्रुप के साथ में मैंने जोनल, नेशनल और साउथ ईस्ट एशियन नेशंस फोरम को भी रिप्रेजेंट किया। फिर उसके बाद में मैंने जैसे ही मैंने अपना पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन शुरू किया, आई डिड माय एमसीए फ्रॉम वनस्थली। देन आई अगेन एनरोल्ड फॉर कथक because at that time I was not eligible for folk dances anymore. I need to focus for my studies also. So I just stopped going youth festivals at that time. Then I joined Kathak again, and now my teacher got changed, and I enrolled with a different teacher altogether now. Then I did for 3 years. So my course done till Nishnat. So it's a 8 year course I
Okay.
done from there. Then I got a job in Noida in IBM. I started my corporate journey. But Kathak was somewhere in my mind that I need to enroll it again, but I did not get a good platform at that time. So after that, मैंने 4 साल जॉब किया IBM में ही। फिर मुझे ऑल टुगेदर एक डिफरेंट थॉट आया कि दिस जॉब इज नॉट माय कप ऑफ टी, आई शुड ट्राई टू डू समथिंग एल्स। Then I switched to UPSC. Then from 2016 to 19 for 4 years I did UPSC and state PCS. तो उन सब में तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा engrossed हो गई और I reached till interview. So it requires a lot of preparation and all the time you need to devote to the preparation. So I could not continue this Kathak journey at the time. And unfortunately, I did not clear till final stage for UPSC and state PCS examination. So it was a setback for me as well. Then I again joined corporate. Unfortunately, but fortunately also because I met Stuti over there. So we
Yeah.
just met at first year itself in my job. So recently, I started my journey of Kathak with Swati Sinha ma'am. She is also from Jaipur Gharana, and coincidentally, she came to my college 12 years back to
Oh,
present a Kathak performance with her Guruji. So coincidentally, I came to know that she's teaching over there, like nearby my sector in Gurgaon. Then I joined 8 months back, and now I have started again and like till now it's a joyful journey for me.
जर्नी सो
Yeah.
बीच में ना थोड़ा-सा थोड़े-थोड़े पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं सो व्हेन लाइक हाउ वाज़ थोड़ा-सा यूपीएससी को भी टच कर लेते हैं आई नो वी विल कंटिन्यू विद कथक बिकॉज़ दैट्स द मेजर पार्ट ऑफ द पॉडकास्ट हाउ वाज़ दैट एक्सपीरियंस बिकॉज़ हम उस दिन उसके बारे में भी बात कर रहे थे व्हाइल वी वर डिस्कसिंग द मूवी 12th फेल एंड देन आई गॉट टू नो दैट you like tried for a really long time so
Mhm.
how was that experience overall like living there
Yeah.
in Mukherjee Nagar and everything
Mhm.
yeah. Hmm.
Yeah. So I prepared, there are two options for students to prepare for UPSC. One is Mukherjee Nagar and second one is Old Rajendra Nagar, that is Karol Bagh.
Hmm.
So if you are a Hindi medium student, you will go for all coachings in Mukherjee Nagar. And if you are a English medium student, you will go to Karol Bagh or Old Rajendra Nagar, whatever you can say. So I started my preparation from English medium itself. So English medium coachings are there in Old Rajendra Nagar. So I enrolled in my coaching, and the journey was all planned because I left my 4 years. After 4 years of my job, I left my job, and it was not a quick decision for me. Like 3 4 months, I needed to prepare myself. Even I had done my optional coaching. So, like optional, I'm mentioning because UPSC is having a optional subject, and all other papers are general for everyone. These are
Okay.
general studies papers. So, along with my job, I started preparing for my optional subject, which was philosophy for me.
Wow.
So it
Hmm.
was not a one day decision whenever you are going to leave your job. And nowadays there are many platforms you can excel. But if you just look at 10 years back, the things were not same as these days we are seeing them. So small decisions or big decisions, you need to take your time first of all. So I took around 4 to 5 months and I prepared along with my job, but it was not going through. So I left my job and I started preparing for full-fledgedly for the exam. So first of all, when you talk about the journey, whenever you just get a setback or just a failure, it push you back. And again, you have to start from scratch. So there are three stages of the exam: preliminary, then
Okay.
mains, and interview. And if you are failing any of the stage, you need to start from a
From
scratch. So it,
scratch.
it requires a lot of like
Hmm.
patience first of all.
Hmm.
So say, and if because you need to go for a backup also. So as a backup, I started preparing for my state PCS. So because I'm from Rajasthan, so I prepared for Rajasthan Administrative Services. So moreover, then I got to know that okay, there is no luck I'm having in UPSC and it's not going further. And then I switched my preparation to Rajasthan oriented examination because both syllabus are very different one. So yeah, journey was a quite long and exhaustive also, but you learn a lot.
Hmm.
First
Hmm.
of all, you learn you can face any challenge of your life.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
this is the main thing. It makes you fearless. It makes you just ready for any kind of challenge in your life. So that's the main takeaway you just go from this preparation.
Hmm.
But yeah, first of all, what I will recommend to anyone who is starting or going to start for a preparation of UPSC, it's very unpredictable, like
Hmm.
the name suggests. So if it is okay, then you have a backup. Like I had a backup of my experience of corporate job, so it was a good experience for me to just get back after all my failures. But yeah, if you are just having a mindset to go and prepare, you just do it. Even
Hmm.
after I got failed, but I will not suggest anyone, no, don't do it. Just do it. If your heart says do it, you will not lose anything. You
Hmm.
will gain experience, hard work, perception. And if I say what I was before my preparation, I started my preparation, I was altogether a different person, and now I'm
Different
totally a
person.
different person.
Hmm.
Yes.
So the person who entered the preparation and person who came out were two different people. And obviously, if जब
Mhm.
हम बात कर भी कर रहे थे, so I've gotten a lot about like you and your perspective and how persistent, like वो होता है ना एक courage आ जाता है to pursue anything with
Mhm.
whatever you
Mhm.
want to. And I think that
Mhm.
also kind of
Yes.
give you a courage to follow your passion after you started your corporate job and you
Yes.
again coming back to Kathak. So you get a kind of courage to pursue your hobby, right? Which is
Yes.
Kathak.
Yes,
So,
yes. And actually,
hmm,
you
hmm,
will feel that you will not lose anything. There is
yeah,
nothing to lose.
there's nothing to lose.
You have done that. I had done my with my preparation, and now I have nothing to lose. So
Hmm.
just try, try
Just
new
try.
things.
Hmm. So
Hmm.
कथक के बारे में अगेन कमिंग बैक टू सो यू वर सेइंग लाइक आपने
Mhm.
8 इयर्स का करा है तो टोटल ऐसे कोर्स कितने टाइम का होता है और कब आप मेरे को
Mhm.
3 क्वेश्चन है फर्स्ट कि टोटल कोर्स कितने इयर्स का होता है लाइक जैसे ऑब्वियसली ग्रेजुएशन 4 साल की होती है एमए 2 जो भी होते हैं सो पहली ड्यूरेशन कितने साल की होती है सेकंड कब आप स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस स्टार्ट कर सकते हो थर्ड हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज लाइक like guru ka kitna contribution and throughout your journey so that's the three things I want to know and then we'll continue of whatever you answers uske according
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं आपके थर्ड क्वेश्चन पे आना चाहूंगी कि गुरु ही सब कुछ है।
okay
कथक में एवरीथिंग इज गुरु।
okay
दिस कथक इज ऑल अबाउट गुरु शिष्य परंपरा, दैट
hmm
इज टीचर स्टूडेंट
hmm
पैटर्न।
hmm
तो आपका गुरु आपके लिए भगवान है।
okay
सबसे पहले आपको अपने मन में ही वो बात बिठानी होगी। आपको अपने मन से गुरु को गुरु एक्सेप्ट करना। व्हाटएवर गुरु इज सेइंग दैट इज द इटर्नल ट्रूथ, यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट दैट। तो
okay
गुरु सबसे पहले। कथक और ऑल क्लासिकल डांसेस, इफ यू गो फॉर भरतनाट्यम, ओडिसी, कथकली, कुचिपुड़ी, सात्रिया, एनी क्लासिकल डांस, ऑल बेस्ड आर ऑन गुरु शिष्य परंपरा। सो गुरु से बढ़ के कुछ नहीं है। गुरु ने कह दिया ये है तो यही है। सेकंड चीज, अब मैं आपके फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आऊंगी कि आपने कहा कि कब स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं या कितने साल का सर्टिफिकेशन चाहिए होता है। तो अगर आपको स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस और उसकी बात करें तो मिनिमम 4-5 years में यू आर रेडी टू गो फॉर स्टेज।
अच्छा ठीक है
But it depends on all other factors, your dedication, how much riyaz. Riyaz means how much practice you are doing, what is your stamina, how you are growing, all things are depends on that. So when I was in my college, I did 3-4 stage performance after my 5 years completion of the exam, and that was solo. And if
अच्छा
you say for group you can do after 2-3 years. Group performances are you can do after two
because
three
there are
years of
many people ना तो आप पीछे आ
Mhm.
गए you are like more
हाँ,
hmm
ग्रुप परफॉर्मेंस को भी अगर आप कहेंगे पीछे आगे नहीं।
hmm
कभी भी कोई ग्रुप परफॉर्मेंस होता है, इट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड जर्नी एंड इट्स ए
okay
डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड एनर्जी फॉर
everyone
एवरीवन।
okay
बट हाँ, ये है कि उसमें आपकी एनर्जी को एक आप थोड़े लो हुए संभालने के लिए कोई और है, बट सोलो में यू कैन नॉट गो लूज एट एनी मोमेंट।
got it
या
hmm
तो एंड ग्रुप परफॉर्मेंस की बात करें तो वहां सिंक बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है। सोलो
hmm
में एक थोड़ा सा है कि अगर थोड़ा सा भी हटा सिंक से तो यू कैन मॉडिफाई बाय योरसेल्फ, बट ग्रुप में इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी इन सिंक विद अदर्स। सो या 4-5 years के बाद आप अपना परफॉर्मेंस सोलो भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, और डिपेंडिंग ऑन ऑल पॉजिटिव फैक्टर्स।
hmm
और
yeah
एक क्वेश्चन आपने पूछा कि सर्टिफिकेशन कितने साल में हो सकता है, तो 8 to 9 years में आप लगभग अपने सारे सर्टिफिकेशंस कर सकते हैं।
कर
दैट्स
सकते
इनफ।
हैं okay
And there are different universities also, like Prayag Sansthan, Allahabad University, Bharati Vidyapeeth. So
अच्छा
every ghrana is having association of different universities. So you can go otherwise.
ओके एंड बीवीपी जैसे अब बीवीपी भारतीय विद्यापीठ आई थिंक इट्स वाराणसी मैं गई हुई हूँ बीवीपी यूनिवर्सिटी व्हेन आई वेंट देयर एंड तो वो वही घराना लेंगे लाइक दे ऑप्ट फॉर बनारस ओनली ऐसा भी होता है
बनारस और या
हम्म
हाँ,
हम्म
डिपेंड करता है। हाँ, मोस्टली जो यूपी की जितनी भी यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं, जैसे इलाहाबाद है, बनारस है, ये सब बनारस और लखनऊ घराना लेंगे। वहीं पे अगर हम पुणे की यूनिवर्सिटीज की बात करें तो वो वेस्टर्न में आ जाती है, तो वो जयपुर घराना थोड़ा ज्यादा एसोसिएट
प्रेफर
होता है।
करेंगे, ओके।
जैसे अभी अगेन आई स्टार्टेड माय सर्टिफिकेशन, आई ऑलरेडी हैड बट इट्स फॉर लाइक
रिन्यूअल।
फॉर कंटिन्यूएशन एंड डिसिप्लिन आई अगेन स्टार्टेड, सो नाउ आई एम डूइंग फ्रॉम पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी।
Acha, now you are doing
Yeah.
from Pune, but you
Hmm.
are opting the same gharana like Jaipur only.
Yes, yes, same Gharana. Because after 7 to 8
Yes, you
years, if
cannot
you have
change.
learned, no, no, it will be quite difficult
Jafar.
for you because bowls and every symbols, every gesture of hands, everything will be slightly different. So if you will start learning a new Gharana altogether after 8 years, it will be difficult for you to pick up again.
गॉट इट, गॉट इट।
Yeah.
अच्छा, दूसरी चीज़ मेरे को जो 2 क्वेश्चन और अभी दिमाग में है बात करते हैं। एक तो कोई एज ग्रुप ग्रुप की बात है क्या? किसी पर्टिकुलर एज पे ही हम ये पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं? सेकंडली,
Hmm.
हाउ मच इज़ द थ्योरी पार्ट एंड हाउ मच इज़ द एक्चुअल डांस? इज़ देयर सम थ्योरेटिकल नॉलेज इंक्लूडेड, लाइक अगर है तो कितने परसेंटेज वो होती है?
तो जहाँ तक हम एज की बात करें तो एज तो इसकी कोई स्पेसिफिक नहीं है। इट्स डांस इज ऑल अबाउट एंजॉयमेंट, जॉय। इफ यू आर एंजॉयिंग डांस यू कैन स्टार्ट एट एनी एज।
हुँ,
बट अगर किसी का अगर कोई भी बच्चा है, अगर उसे शुरू में ही हमें एज अ पेरेंट वी आर एबल टू ग्रैस्प दिस थिंग दैट शी और ही इज एबल टू जस्ट ग्रैस्प थिंग्स एंड डांस में उसका इंटरेस्ट है, तो हमें फिर उसको फैसिलिटेट करना चाहिए बीइंग अ पेरेंट।
ट्रू,
सो अगर बहुत स्टार्टिंग एज में ही अगर हमें शुरू हो जाए तो उससे तो बढ़ के कुछ है ही नहीं।
सो
बट
ट्रू।
एज आई सेड, नहीं, किसी भी एज में भी आपको शुरू करना है तो इट्स अप टू यू एंड इट विल गिव यू जॉय। इफ यू आर डूइंग इट फ्रॉम योर हार्ट तो उससे बढ़ के आपको कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगेगा।
Got it. And the second question of
एंड
theory and practical?
theory and practical, mostly dance is about theory practical both, but you can say 70-30. 70% is practical because what we are showing to others, that is practical, and this is all about dance. So any modifications like nowadays classical को semi classical में भी convert करके और dance and performances हो रहे हैं, तो it's all about practical. But yes, the same time we need to know what actually thing we are doing, what the names are, what the forms are. So 30% theory part is also included.
Okay, got it, got it.
Yeah.
Fine. So, how is your practice is going now, and what are your plans
Mhm.
to take it forward? How are you now taking it forward? And अगर मेरे को एक और क्वेश्चन उसी से याद आया, शायद हम बात भी कर रहे थे कि when
Mhm.
can you start teaching other people? How, like at what stage, कितने साल बाद या कितने टाइम बाद आप लोगों को सिखा सकते हो?
तो मैं जैसे अभी प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ, आई गो फॉर वीकेंड्स,
अच्छा,
सैटरडे संडे,
ऑब्वियसली
एंड आई डू
बिकॉज़
माय ओन, या
हुँ,
एंड बट आई डू माय ओन रियाज इन एवरी मॉर्निंग,
ओके।
like every morning I do. So now it's earlier when I started in October, from this October 2023 I started. So it was difficult for me to pick up because I had to enroll with those students which have already prepared for 6 to 7 years.
हुँ,
So मेरे लिए उस टाइम थोड़ा difficult था, but now I'm in syncing because they were learning from 6 years to the same teacher, and teacher to teacher the things differs.
हुँ,
As we know,
ट्रू,
every person have a different technique to learn things and teach things. So थोड़ा difficult हुआ, but now it's going fine and smooth also. Now I'm focusing on workshops also. So like
ओके।
I will enroll in different workshops and I will try to, because in NCR you will find immense
हुँ,
teachers, immense workshops. You will not able to find it in small cities. Like you can say now this is also spreading now,
या
but in NCR you will get a good advantage of that. You can go to Delhi, you can go to Ghaziabad, any, and Gurgaon itself. So there are immense provisions you can opt for. So I'm just trying to grab workshops, knowledge, and all. And regarding teaching, you can start teaching after 3-4 years once you are like done with basic. So if I go to think like, first of all we teach Tatkar. These are the very things which are related to Kathak. So whoever will be just a bit known about Kathak, he or he will be able to understand. So once you are handy with your toda tukda, so then you will able to just make the other person understand. So you can start after 3-4 years.
ओके,
Absolutely. Like like if I want to teach now, I can teach to the beginners.
To the
So
beginners,
that's
that's
okay.
okay.
Yeah, beginners or like intermediate who has done 1 or 2 years of Kathak learning, I can just teach
Teach
them.
them.
So
Mm.
I'm telling you this thing because I have 6 to 7 years of experience of Kathak. So if a person is having 6 to 7 years of experience, he or she can teach for 2 to 3 years. So
Mm.
that is
That
okay.
is okay. Got
Yeah.
it. Got it.
Yeah.
So, and how about what are your plans now? How you are taking forward this journey? What are your particularly what are you thinking about it? How you are going ahead about it?
Yeah, so when I started, it was like कि बस मुझे अपने आप को स्ट्रेस रिलीज और मुझे पीस एंड कामनेस के लिए मुझे कथक चाहिए था.
Hmm.
Then I started and
Hmm.
like all support of my husband, I
Hmm.
started this. तो हमने बहुत डांस क्लास ढूंढी गुड़गांव में हमें क्योंकि जयपुर घराना यूजुअली यू विल नॉट फाइंड इन
Hmm. Hmm.
Gurugram. You will find Lucknow, Banaras also. Lucknow, most prominently, Lucknow you will be able to find, but Jaipur Gharana is quite difficult to find here. It's in Jaipur, Mumbai, and all. You will able to find Jaipur Gharana more prominently. सो तब मैंने उसी से शुरू किया था कि बस मुझे वापस शुरू करना है बट नाउ आई एम फोकसिंग मोर कि अब मुझे शुरू ही नहीं करना कि अब मुझे आगे मैं कैसे परफॉर्मेंस की तरफ
Hmm.
जा सकती
Hmm.
हूँ कैसे मैं अपनी अपनी स्किल्स बढ़ा सकती हूँ आई एम नॉट having that mindset right now to teach others because right now I have to full fledgedly to confident myself again but yes for performances yeah I'm trying कि अब मैं जल्दी से जल्दी performance के लिए try करूँ be it a group be it with ma'am or anyone. So yeah,
So I
this is
would
my
like
goal
to
right now.
be there when you're performing. Please do invite me on your
Yeah,
show.
definitely,
If it's like
definitely.
reachable at a reachable place, I will surely try
Yeah,
to join and
okay,
see your dance.
definitely.
Okay, so or like as such, because obviously मेरे को इतना known topic नहीं है, but for the learning perspective, is there something that you have that people who are listening can learn or can have idea about, like anything you want to share as a takeaway or something like that? Because वही मैं बोल रही हूँ, मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा पता नहीं है, so I don't have much questions as such.
सो अगर किसी को भी डांस पसंद है किसी भी फॉर्म में और इवन नहीं पसंद है और वो फिर भी ट्राई करना चाहता है डेफिनेटली आई वुड रिकमेंड कि उसको किसी भी टाइप का क्लासिकल डांस एक बार ट्राई करना चाहिए इट विल लाइक these days we see and we hear that yoga has changed the life
Hmm.
so dance also changes your
Hmm.
life altogether
Okay.
when because in my experience I can see when I'm dancing for half an hour or 1 hour I just forget
Wow.
everything my focus is all upon dancing like if I go in class I don't know what is happening outside my
Amazing.
class. So in this way, if you are thinking to focus on anything like your work, or any specific goal, like we do meditation yoga, dance is also like a meditation.
Hmm.
So if you can focus, then you should definitely go for that. Second, this is all about like you like dance. But if you want some stress reliever, some peace, some calmness in your life, definitely classical dances are try out. You can explore on internet what kind of dance form you want to be in. Kathak, like Bharatnatyam, it's also a very prominent dance style in NCR. People are there who are teaching Bharatnatyam
Hmm.
also, Odissi also. So go explore on Google. If you find it interesting, any of the classical dance form, just go for
Hmm.
it. Try. At least
Hmm.
after trying, you will able to find you are liking it or not. But at least try.
Hmm. Got it.
I'm the person who like to explore new things, new
Hmm.
and especially if you are having any kind of
Hmm.
inclination towards cultural things, then definitely you should try
Hmm.
and go.
Hmm.
And if it is not possible for you to just check out, then go on Google, try this. If there any performance is happening nearby you, is there any teacher nearby you, just go and explore. You will definitely
Got
like
it.
it.
Got it. And
Yeah.
two things which I want to tell on what you said. First is I think dance also helps a lot to come into your balanced feminine energy. This is what I feel. Any kind of such activities where you're, because at the core if you are feminine, this also helps a lot to balance your feminine energy, जो कि कई बार बहुत distorted हो जाती है because people around us are maybe negative or the situations are not that positive. So I feel something like this really helps. So that's my point of view. I'm not sure how
Yes,
much you
yes.
agree on that, but yeah.
No, no, no. I agree totally. I agree
Hmm.
with you. If you are having any kind of negativity around you, if you are influenced by people, definitely you should go for
Hmm.
dancing, especially classical dance. These nowadays there are many dance forms are there because dance is all about joy.
Hmm.
It will definitely feel you energetic and it will fill you with more positive energy and feminine energy, as
Hmm.
you said. And basically, if you just go into the history of dance, Kathak itself originated, Kathak and Bharatnatyam basically both originated from Tandav.
Oh,
So Tandav is all about Shiva and Parvati.
wow.
So Shiva, so it's all about starting from there. And if you go and see the Nataraj position is all about Kathak and
Wow.
Bharatnatyam. We use all the dance movements, Tandav, and we depicts Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, every god and goddesses we just depict and we signify in our dance movement. So you can just correlate these things with your day-to-day life, your spirituality, your positive energy, your feminine energy, everything is related to
Amazing. I
dance.
just had goosebumps when you said na that it's Tandav and it's
Yeah,
all about Shiv Shakti. I just had really goosebumps. Amazing. So also the thing that you said कि obviously it's a kind of meditation क्योंकि वो flow का state हो जाता है. एक flow की state होती है ना
yes,
जब when everything you are concentrating on the present moment, there is no thought of past or future, and
yes,
that's where your energy is
yeah,
at peak. So that's the kind of dopamine hit you get from dance as well.
yes, yes,
Similarly for meditation or many other things, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है मतलब multiple चीजों
lot
से,
of things.
but that is really really
Yes,
amazing. So yeah, and I think yeah, so बहुत ही काफी detailed information you have given, which I'm really thankful for. And one thing I want to like
yeah,
actually appreciate about you personally, because I know you personally as well, so the point which I want to tell to people and audience, that you are a very good learner. I have seen when you ask things for me as well, from I also learn from you. I've learned a lot and I've seen because hum baat karte hain to. But the point is that I see you as a very good learner because genuinely you are curious about things. You have that childlike thing कि मेरे को ये भी पता करना है, मेरे को ये भी पता, which actually is a very good energy, which means that you are constantly, I think that also you get from your UPSC exam, because you
yeah,
have to
yeah.
be
Yes, yes,
constantly in
yes.
touch with what's new, what's new, what's new, kind of, है ना?
What's new? Yes,
That
yes.
way. So
Yes, yes, actually. And from starting, like since childhood, I had this kind of thing in
hmm,
my nature कि मुझे सब जानना है, ये क्यों हो रहा है, ये कैसे हो रहा है. And Kathak is also started from there. And this is not like Kathak. I explored many things in my college and school. I did horse riding, I did rifle shooting, I was in
wow.
NCC, I played basketball, but and I did folk dance also. I did Kathak. But out of those all, I chose what fit
Hmm,
for me the
hmm,
best. So Kathak was the thing which fit for me the best.
hmm.
So in this way, I
Pick it
pick it up. But I tried
You tried.
everything at that
Amazing.
time. Yes, and I had a very keen interest in cooking also, stitching also in my college
Wow.
and school. But all of them, you need to learn a lot of things, but you should be there with a thing in which you can
Hmm.
enjoy and you can be a master of
Yeah,
it.
I know.
So yeah.
एंड थोड़ा-सा बताओ मुझे हॉर्स राइडिंग के बारे में, मुझे थोड़ा-सा इंटरेस्ट है, फिर हम
हाँ,
ऑब्वियसली वी आर टुवर्ड द
हाँ,
एंड, बट
हाँ,
हॉर्स
हॉर्स
राइडिंग की स्टफ
राइडिंग.
यार, मतलब कैसे इतने बड़े घोड़े पे कोई चढ़
हाँ.
सकता है यार?
नहीं नहीं वो ऐसा लगता है बट दीज ऑल आर देयर आर टेक्निक्स. एक बार आपको घोड़े को संभालना आ जाएगा देन यू विल एबल टू राइड एंड इवन इफ यू विल बी एबल टू राइड एंड जंप एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी देयर
हुँ,
but you have to start from scratch and I could do because it started from me when a person was
हुँ।
there. He was handling the rope all the time and I was I think 10 or 11
ओह!
years old. Then I
हाँ,
started. Yeah, so that time I was also scared, but you became friendly because these are
हुँ,
creatures. These are also
एनिमल्स या
living
हुँ,
living beings. So you will be able to handle them with care, and also they will also be friendly with you after some
गुड,
time. If you are having a horse, for an example, if any person is having any kind of pet, so Horse is also like a pet.
got it.
You will be friendly with it.
गॉट इट, गॉट
Yeah.
इट। बट यार अमेजिंग, क्योंकि मेरे को ऐसा, यू आर आल्सो लाइक टॉल है ना, तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है मेरी तो हाइट, आई एम नॉट दैट टॉल, मुझे लगता है मैं बैठ भी पाऊंगी या नहीं, बट एनीवेज या अब मैं एक दो बार आई थिंक।
No, no, horse riding is not like proportionate to your height, your
ओके,
weight, nothing. You will have pedal, you can have balance on it. So it's
ग्रेट।
yeah,
बट
it's
यार
like
गुड टू टच दिस पार्ट एज वेल, सो बट थैंक यू सो मच प्रतिभा। मतलब मुझे बहुत ही मजा आया, हम काफी दिन से, इट्स लाइक एक महीने से हम सोच रहे थे पॉडकास्ट पॉडकास्ट, बट कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा था, प्लस आई हैड माई रिकॉर्डिंग्स ऑलरेडी गोइंग। सो थैंक you so much for joining in, and I think we can end it. Is there any last message you want to give to listeners? Yeah.
go and try, explore new things, whatever you want to do, whatever you feel like, just go and explore things. Then you will be able to
Mhm.
find a
So
thing which
thank
fits
you so
for
much.
you
Thanks,
the best.
Pratibha, and thank you, listeners,
This
for
is the
yeah,
message.
thank you, listeners, for
Yeah,
listening to
thank
us.
you
Stay
so
happy,
much.
stay blessed, and most importantly, stay grateful. I will see you another one. Bye.